it's been a while. I haven't been really making a lot of videos, so welcome back. If you're new to the channel, my name is Eric. I'm starting to do a lot of more vlogs now lately, just showing you guys behind the scenes on what photos I take. And today we're actually out in nature, as you can see, and hopefully you guys can stick along with the ride. So actually I had a quick idea here. I'm just gonna use this as my foreground and line it up with that cabin right over there. I'm sorry, I'll call it a house. But anyways, let's see how that photo comes out. Hiking right now. It's a lot of people here today on a Sunday. I mean, it's expected. Should come here during the weekday, but we'll see in a few weeks. I'm trying to get out as often as I can. It's a beautiful day. It's chilly. It's not too hot, not too cold. I was wearing my jacket. Let's go check that waterfall out. So this is pretty cool what my wife just spotted. Looks like a squirrel. This bark right here, sleeping, curled up. It's amazing what Mother Nature can do. Yeah, so we went over there and didn't find any good shots besides just like sun's popping in and out. We did find this little foreground and just lining up with the waterfall. It's pretty cool. You can actually kind of get the people out of the frame. We'll see how it turns out. We are heading back to the car here, guys. It was okay. Didn't really get much photos. Don't want to say it's a fail, but I don't want to say it was great. We'll see how the photos turned out. Not sure if we're gonna go on another hike today, but we'll see. How's it going, guys? Today we're in Seattle. It's been 4 days since I last shot the other vlog where we're in nature. I'm actually with two other gentlemen here. They're actually taking some photos. I'm not sure if you can actually see them. It's like focus. Yeah, there they are. They're just doing their own thing. There's Spencer. Just walking over here trying to focus. There he is.
It's like fucking Instagram as fuck, yeah. Give me like even more stank on that.
We got Will and Spencer doing some
hit him with
light painting over here.
Okay. Yes. Can you hold that for 6 seconds?
Really nice.
It's yoga, dude. Ready? Here we go. This one's looks so tight. The long leg and shit too.
Nice. Ooh. It's amazing.
That's fire.
Spencer's gonna try it now.
I'm gonna hit him with it, bro.
It's that Jedi pose.
You look like a Jedi, dude. The power of the Force.
You just blinded me with that light. Long exposure on a Polaroid camera. Look at that.
Yeah, bro.
It's creative as fuck. Spencer just upgraded with the A7 III, and he's actually gonna get another A7 III.
Another one. I'm gonna have dual weld A7 IIIs. It's insane. I had the R3. I switched to A7 III. Just figured megapixels. Unnecessarily high megapixel count. Just can't do it.
And then we got Will here rocking a Polaroid.
It has the Instax Mini 90. It's really cool. It does long exposures, so.
Look at those.
This is like 6 seconds. This is like 3 seconds, 4 seconds.
Damn, that's creative as hell, man.
Thanks, dude. It's really fun. We'll try. We can all try it on different cameras to see what the shot looks like, how it differs.
We got Will out here taking a banger reflection. Got a nice reflection on that roof of the car. Spencer using his 85 right now. Ooh. See that heat. Nice.
Nice depth. It's really tight. The chain.
Got Will with that pose right here.
Beautiful. Yeah, what is it? The Vogue? Fucking Vogue it out. Yes.
And we're inside the farmer's market.
Yeah. You want some too? I'm good for now.
It'd be pretty cool if somebody was actually walking right over here. I'll show you some of the photos I took just right now, but I just wish I had some sort of subject. I don't want to cheat and have one of these guys come in here, but maybe someday. We'll see. Alright guys, so it's the next day. I didn't get to end the vlog last night, only because me, Will, and Spencer are planning out a Tacoma meeting here soon, maybe in October, around mid-October. And yeah, hopefully we get some fall colors during that time. So today I just trying to finish the vlog. Hopefully I get it out by this Sunday. It's gonna be, the next 2 days are gonna be really busy. So yeah, hopefully that works out. Obviously everybody's invited, everybody from Olympia, everybody from Seattle, everywhere in the state of Washington, you know, just come to Tacoma, videographers, models, creators, whatever you are, you guys are all invited. Also, don't forget to actually follow Will and Spencer. I'll put their Instagrams down below. They're both amazing photographers, local from the Tacoma area. Everybody's just trying to get together here in the Tacoma area, but make sure you follow those two guys. They're amazing. Another thing that's been on my mind, I was actually thinking of doing weekly vlogs instead of doing daily vlogs. So combining like 1, 2, 3 days that I go out shooting and just combine it into one vlog. So I guess it's just like a weekly vlog, if you want to call that. I'm not sure yet if I have the time, I'll do it. I'm starting another new job and it has to do with photography. Hopefully, maybe I can get another camera, because just vlogging and taking photos with the USR is kind of a pain in the ass. I always have the vibration control on, and sometimes when I have it on taking photos, it's actually shaky. Yeah, you'll see why. It just sucks. But anyways, hopefully I get that new camera. And also I'm looking forward to fall. Hopefully the leaves start changing here in Washington and I'll take some photos of that. But anyways, I'm just sticking with summer at the moment. So we'll see what's up with that. And hopefully I get to go to Rainier this Sunday with my wife. We're thinking about going to this very steep, like, I forgot what it's called. It's like a lake over there, and we're planning to take that during sunrise. So hopefully I get to vlog that. I heard it's very steep. It's gonna be hard, but I guess it's all worth for the shot. So I'll show you guys that. Have a good day.